Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install any USB printer in a Windows 10 PC or laptop without physical connection. We are not attach our USB cable with our printer to our PC or laptop or not power on our printer, and we are going to install our printer driver, and after that, after some time, we attach our USB cable and power on our printer, and our printer is 110% work. So let's do the traditional way. First we find our error and then solve that error. I double click on the here is my drivers. Download your driver from the your site, example as HP, Epson, Canon. Type your printer name and download our driver. After that, here we find our driver, double click on it, click on the yes. It's extract. It is actually unzipping our file. It is a zip file. It's unzipped and setup is started in a few seconds. Here we find setup. Click on the install. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. And here we find our error. Make sure device is powered on. It's asked to power on your device. And second option is connect your USB cable to printer and to your PC or laptop, and both options are not available for us, so I cancel it or exit from here and go to our printer driver. Next step is go to our printer driver. We are going to manually install our printer driver. Go to our printer driver, right click on it, show more options, and here we find option extract files. If you not install WinZip, WinRAR or any unzip software, then install it, and after that here we find extract files. Click on extract files, click on OK, wait for a few seconds. Depending on your file size, it's take few minutes or few seconds. After that, here we find newly created folder, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. .tll file is the most IMP part for the manual installation, and these files are in this folder, okay, or in this subfolder. Close it. Now go to the start. Next step is we are going to install it manually. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner, add a device. Click on add a device and wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up at this point. Wait for a few seconds. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. And here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part of this installation. Go to there. If you're using HP, then HP and port name HP, example as com4_001 HP port, HP printer device, or the Canon or any other printer, then brother. If you find your printer name with the port, select that. And if you not find your printer name with the port, the next option is select USB. Select your USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004, 005 or COM4. I select USB and click on the next. Here we find hard disks. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Go to your driver. Double click on your driver folder, and here in this all file list find the .dll file. In this case, here is my DLL file. If you not find DLL file at this point, then go to this subfolders and find your .dll .inf file. Okay, sorry, I'm give the .dll file. It is a .inf file. Select your .inf file. Select any file that you find. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find your single printer or series printer, and if multiple printers, then it show multiple printers. In this case, it show multiple printers. Select your proper printer. Select, in this case, this is my printer. Select your printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name. Click on next. It's installing our printer. After that, in a few seconds or few minutes, it's your do not share this printer or share this printer. I don't, so I select first option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then attach your USB cable and power on and click on printer test page or click on finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name at this point in a printer list, if you find your printer name, that means your printer is properly installed and it's 110% work in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.